Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of the walkthrough solves on 3x3, which I'll do it with white cross. And the scramble is right top on the screen. Now let's find the cross edges. This green and white piece is ready to go in, so I'll insert it. And the orange and white is here, red and white is here, blue and white is here. First I'll insert blue and white like this using D, F2. And R using L. And orange using like this. Now let's look for F12 pairs. Here is one, orange and blue. I'll insert it like this using beginner's method easily. And for this F12, green, red and white, it's already separated, so it's ready to insert. For this F12, I can do like this. Take it out and insert. Lastly, for this F12 case also, we can insert it like this. And OLL and PLL. And that's all. And for scramble number 2, the green and white piece is ready to insert, so I'll insert. And orange looks pretty easy. Let's insert it. And blue, lastly red. And luckily there is some keyhole, so I'll insert it like this. Separate it and insert. Accidentally I made a second pair, so I'll insert it like this. And third pair could be done easily like this. And fourth pair also we can do it normally. And that's an white form. That solves the case. For scramble number 3, the white cross is pretty easy, so I'll insert it normally. And let's insert orange before aligning the cross. And blue, lastly red. So look for the cross edges. This case could be solved using triple sexy move. This case could be solved using keyhole. And this case could be solved normally. And this case also, we can solve it normally. Seam and T-perm. For scramble number 4, it's pretty okay. We can solve like this. First align the red, then align the green and orange. Lastly, if you align like this, you'll miss up this edge, so you can align using M moves. And this is unstuck edge. This edge could be taken out and do it like this. This edge could be solved using triple sexy move. And for taking this edge, you could take like this. And this could be solved easily, and we made an F12 pair. That's all. OLL and PLL. That's all. For the raw scramble, orange is already solved, so we can solve it like this. Red is superly okay. Blue, lastly green. So I can take out this edge, solve using triple sexy move, and this edge And this edge you could align like this and solve. Lastly, this edge could be solved using then all out, then PL out. That's in JB. Could solve like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below the comment section. Bye.